domestic violence, but I am nothing but a piece of white trash, and I didn't know any better. Isn't it true? You are nothing but white trash. Doing videos like that, that's disgusting. Condoning domestic violence. You should be ashamed of yourself, Miss Lulu. Now go ahead and read number 3. Number 3. I want to apologize for a video that I uploaded a while back. The video that I uploaded, I was being very suggestive with a hot dog.
Daniel, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be
but because I'm a cheap whore.
I think she's being mean to
I'm not reading
Lulu.
this. You're not
The
supposed to be
babysitter. Why would she be doing this?
Did you just say you're not going to do it? You upload trash like that with a hot dog? And then you're going to argue with me? How quick you forget, Miss Lulu. How quick you forget. Oh, Miss Lulu, I do believe you will do what I tell you. If you know what's best for you and your nephews, you will do exactly what I tell you. Okay, listen. Okay.
See?
I got it.
She's trying to threaten us.
I got your
I
message.
knew there was something wrong with that lady. She ain't gonna do nothing to us. Hey, Baby Lulu, look at all these colors come with it. Do you have any more paper so I could draw with paint? No, we don't have it because Ingrid used it all.
Listen, guys, don't worry about the paper. I'll go get you guys some paper later, okay? Just don't say anything to Ingrid about it. I'll get you some more. Don't worry about it.
Lulu, why are you letting her treat you like that?
What do you mean, honey? I don't know what you're talking about. Everything's fine. What do you...
You're lying, Lulu. We heard the whole thing yesterday when she was being mean to you.
No, honey, that's not what happened. We was shooting a video for the YouTube refugees. She wasn't being mean to me. If you thought that, no, honey, that's not what happened.
Oh, that's a lie. She tried to threaten us.
Calm down, baby Keanu. I need you to go to the store. I need you to pick up Crisco oil. And I need you to go right now. Yeah, sure. Anything you say. No problem.
Fudge round for 50 cents. Even an oatmeal cream pie is for 50 cents. Little Debbie fudge round for 50 cents.
So, baby Keanu and baby Lulu, do you think I did not hear what you were talking about with Lulu earlier today? Before she went to the store? So what exactly did you hear me talk about?
You just have a babysitter. You're not supposed to do this to Lulu.
Let me tell you something, baby Lulu. Little children should be seen and not heard. You do not speak to me in that tone.
I'll speak to you however I want to speak to you, okay?
Who do you think you're talking to that way?
What are you going to do about it?
I guess Ingrid is going to have to teach you some manners. I guess nobody taught you anything in this household. But that is going to change. You do not speak to me in that tone.
I can't believe you hit him.
Yes, I did strike him. Do you want to be next, Keanu? What do you guys do about this?
You hit my brother?
You're going to regret that, you little bastard!
Shut up!
I don't really want to talk about it over the phone, so, I promised you I'm going to fill you in on everything, and I'm just really, I don't even know what to say. I'm just very... It's...